Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnific Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the steam thermoblock, the one that you see right here, and that's because right here it's barely visible, but right here, focus camera. Right here where I have my fingernail, that little dot over here, it was leaking steam through there. So there's nothing we could have done to fix it, but to just replace the entire thing. We have to replace the entire thermoblock. So right now the machine has a new thermoblock, new thermal place on the thermostats that are located right here. We secure the connections, make sure these ones are not leaking. We secure the solar valve attached to the side of the thermoblock, and we make sure everything is running the way it's supposed to and it's not leaking. So then we put the machine back together and now we're testing it. We already tested this machine quite a lot, especially with the steam thermoblock. We use a bunch of steam, we use a bunch of hot water, we run a bunch of liquid through it to make sure there's not any leaks or anything like that. And it's been doing amazing. As you can see, it's starting to heat up pretty quickly, already with a good steam pressure coming out of the steamer one. You can see the steam over here foaming on the tray. It's really good, excellent pressure, working the way it's supposed to. Really hot, burning my hand right here, working excellent. So yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So let's do a shot of espresso and let me get a cup so we can test the rest of the machine as well. Perfect, I got my cup and beans are in the machine. We are raising the 3 setting on the grinder as well. Machine is grinding the beans right now and is depositing inside the funnel. We're using the minimum settings of the grinder, so that's the reason I stopped really soon. We usually use the medium one, but we're gonna leave it exactly the way it was. We're gonna get 2 ounces of liquid as well, and as you can see, it's a nice steady flow coming out of the spouts. Working excellent. 2 ounces, which is perfect. Great color, working great. Crema foam in the top as well. And the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.